Good morning students. In previous video we have done problem set number 18. Today we will see comparing like fractions, comparing fraction with equal numerators and comparing unlike fractions. Okay, so first is comparing like fractions. In like fractions, the fraction with the greater numerator is the greater fractions. For example, 3 by 8 and 4 by 8. In this, the greater numerator is 4, right? So 4 by 8 is the greater fraction. Okay, understood? So first one is comparing like fractions. We all know what is like fraction. Like fractions are the fraction with same denominator. Okay, so in like fractions, the fraction with the greater numerator is the greater fraction. For example, 3 by 8 and 4 by 8. They are like fraction because denominator is 8 and 8. Right, denominator is same, so they are like fractions. Now we have to compare them, which is greater fraction. So for this we will see the greater numerator. Numerator are 3 and 4 here. Which one is greater? 4, right? So 4 by 8 is a greater fraction. Got it? Now second one is comparing fractions with equal numerators. Means if numerators are equal, then how to compare the fractions of two fractions with equal numerators. The fraction with the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. Okay, remember, when the numerators are same, then the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. Understood? For example, here 2 by 3, 2 by 4 and 2 by 5. Okay, you can see all the fractions having same numerator, 2, 2 and 2, right? Now you have to compare denominator. The greater denominator is a smaller fraction. For example, here the greater one is 5, so 2 by 5 is smaller. Okay, now next greater is 4, so 2 by 4 is smaller than 2 by 3. Understood? Here in this 3 fraction, the greater fraction is 2 by 3 because 3 is the smaller denominator. Understood? Now the last thing is comparing unlike fractions. Okay, we all know what is unlike fraction. The fraction with different denominator is unlike fraction, right? So how to compare unlike fraction? To compare unlike fractions, we convert them into their equivalent fractions so that their denominators are the same. In short, to compare unlike fraction, we have to make them like fractions. Okay, understood? For example, here our fraction is 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. You can see 5 and 7 means both the fractions are having different denominator, 5 and 7, right? Now, and the numerator is also different. So how can we compare them? For this, we will make them like fraction. Okay, means we will make the denominator same. So in 35 is a common multiple of 5 and 7. So we will make 35 as a common multiple, common denominator. So multiply 5 by 7, so we will get 35 and also 3 by 7, 21, right? So we get 21 by 35, and here 4 by 7, multiply 4 by 7 by 5. For example, 7 5s are is 35, right? And 4 5s are is 20. So here we get same denominator 35 and 35. Now they are like fraction. Now we can easily compare them. Now 21 and 20, which one is greater? 21, right? So 21 by 35 is the greater fraction. Understood? Now we will do problem set number 19. Write the proper symbol from smaller and greater or equal in the box. Okay, means we have to compare them. First question is 3 by 7 and 3 by 7. Both the fractions are equal, so we will put equal sign over here. Okay. Second question is 3 by 8 and 2 by 8. You can see denominator are same, means they are like fraction. So we have to compare our numerator. Okay. Which one is greater? 3. So 3 by 8 is a greater fraction. Understood? Now question number 3 is cancelled. So we will do question number 4. So 5 by 15 and 10 by 30. You can see here 15 and 30 means denominator is different and also numerator is also different, right? So they are means they are unlike fractions, so we have to convert them into like fraction. You can see here 30 is a multiple of 15, so we can make 15 30. So for this we will multiply 5 by 15 by 2 because 15 2s are is 30, and also multiply 5 by 2. Okay, so 5 2s are is 10, so we get 10 by 30. 10 by 30. Now we can easily compare, right? Because fraction denominator are same now. Okay, now you can see 10 by 30 and 10 by 30 are equal, are same, so we will put here equal sign. Understood? Question number 6, 7 and 8 are cancelled, so I will do directly 9. Okay, so question number 9 is 5 by 6 and 1 by 8. Okay, they are unlike fraction because denominator are different. We have to make them like fraction first, right? You can see 24 is a common multiple of 6 and 8, so we will make 24 as a common denominator. Okay, for this we will multiply 5 by 6 by 4 because 6 4s are is 24, and also multiply 5 by 4, so 5 4s are is 20. Okay, now take 1 by 8. Multiply 1 by 8 by 3 because 8 3s are is 24, right? And also multiply 1 by 3, so 1 3s are is 3. Got it? So we get 20 by 24 and 3 by 24. Now they are like fraction, right? Now you can easily compare them. Compare numerator 20 and 3. Which one is greater? 20. So 20 and 20 by 24 is a greater fraction. Understood? Question number 10 is 5 by 12 and 1 by 6. Okay, again they are unlike fraction. We have to make them like fraction. For this you can see 12 is a multiple of 6, so we will make 6 12. For this we have to multiply 1 by 6 by 2. Okay, also multiply 1 by 2, so we get 1 2s are is 2 and 6 2s are is 12. Now denominator are same, so they are now like fraction. Now compare them. 5 or 2, which one is greater? 5, right? It means 5 by 12 is a greater fraction. Understood? Now question number 11 is cancelled, so I will directly do question number 12. Okay, 4 by 9 and 4 by 9. You can see both the fraction are same, so I will put here equal sign. Done. Now again question number 13 is cancelled, so now question number 14. Question number 14 is 2 by 3 and 4 by 7. They are unlike fraction, convert them into like fractions. Okay, you can see 21 is a common multiple of 3 and 7, because 3 7s are is 21 and 7 3s are is 21. Okay, so make 21 as a common denominator. For this we will multiply 2 by 3 by 7, so we get 2 7s are 14 and 3 7s are is 21, right? Now take 4 by 7, multiply them by 3, 4 3s are is 12 and 7 3s are is 21, right? Now denominator are same, so 14 by 21 box 12 by 21. Now they are like fraction. Now compare numerator. 14 is greater, so 14 by 21 is a greater fraction. Understood? Question number 15. 3 by 7 and 5 by 9. Again they are unlike fractions, convert them into like fractions. Here 63 is a common multiple of 7 and 9, so make 63 as a common denominator. Okay, for this multiply 3 by 7 by 9. 7 9s are is 63 and 3 9s are is 27. Okay, so we get 27 by 63. Now take 5 by 9, multiply 5 by 9 by 7, because 9 7s are is 63, so we get denominator same, 63 and 63. Also multiply 5 by 7, so 5 7s are is 35, so we get 27 by 63 and 35 by 63. Now they are like fraction. Now compare numerator. Which one is greater? 35, right? So 35 by 63 is the greater fraction. Done. Last question, question number 16. 4 by 11 and 1 by 5. 55 is a common multiple of 11 and 5, so make 55 as a common denominator. Okay, for this multiply 4 by 11 by 5, because 11 5s are is 55, right? Now also multiply 4 by 5. So 4 5s are is 20. Okay. Now take 1 by 5. Multiply 1 by 5 by 11. Okay, because 5 11s are is 55. Now denominator are same, right? Also multiply 1 by 11. 1 11s are 11. Okay, so we get 20 by 55 and 11 by 55. Now they are like fractions because denominator are same. Now compare numerator. 20 is greater, so 20 by 55 is the greater fraction. Understood? So today we are done with problem set number 19. Thank you.